What's up, friends? Real raw video here, David Moss Jr. If you don't know, I started a free club called the Black Sheep Club. Been talking about doing this for probably 2 years now. And though the name, the Black Sheep, might not seem like a positive thing, I can promise you nothing about this club is anything other than positive. What I found when I left my corporate job, 20-year career, big job, is that when I left, even making the decision to leave, there wasn't a lot of support. There was actually quite the opposite. And the only people who really supported me in the stream were my wife and her father. No one else really showed much support. It got to the point where some of my friends might say they supported me, but they're really just annoyed with me constantly saying, I feel like I need to be doing something different with my life. And what I wanted to provide, because my story's gotten out there on podcasts and I've been able to share it, I have a playbook. I've helped other people start creating content and make their livelihood from making content now on whatever niche it is that they're into. I wanted to have a space, not a Facebook group, not a web, not an app, nothing I had to create. Just a safe space where people who are like-minded and do feel a little bit like black sheep, feel like they're called to something more, called to something different. They're not currently living it, but they know with just a little bit of guidance, a little bit of encouragement, and maybe some testimonies from other like-minded humans, they can too live the life God called them to live, full of purpose and full of fulfillment. That is truly what I experience in my life. And it's thanks to you. It's thanks to people who have started watching my content and subscribe to my channel and engage and like and follow me on Instagram and support the lifestyle that I'm living and want to also live that lifestyle. I want that for you. I want that for everybody. So I started this group, the Black Sheep Club. I would love for you to join it. It is free. I will post the link on the video description. I'll post it on the screen here. I also just finished a 4-mile run and decided I'm going to film this. So if I'm out of breath, that is why. But I'm also very passionate about this. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because I'm also sharing some things that we're doing that I want to do in real life. I want to host retreats where like-minded individuals get together, and more than just sharing information and sharing testimonies and supporting each other online, which is a great starting place, I want people to be able to get together in real life. So I actually have a house. It's a half mile down the street from my current house, where you probably see a lot of my videos, saunas, cold plunge, all that fun stuff. We live on a lake. God is good. And this house is a half mile down the street. I'm gonna have sauna, cold plunge, all the wellness stuff's gonna be there as well. I'm gonna put it on Airbnb, so that's an option to people, but more importantly, I'm gonna host retreats there. That's the goal. That's the heart of this, is I wanna host retreats where people will stay there. You don't have to all go stay in hotels and find your own places to stay. I want the group to be able to spend time together. I've been to a few retreats where you are kind of forced into a house together. Those relationships are so meaningful to me. The other retreats I've been to where you have to find your own place to stay in hotels, everyone's spread out. You miss a huge part of the connection that happens after the events of the day. And that's what I want. It's gonna be small, they're gonna be intimate, but if you wanna know about these retreats, if you wanna be a part of this, come spend my life with me. Come spend some time with me in my life. See how I am in real life. See how I am with my family. See and experience what life can feel like for you. That's what I want. I am not doing anything crazy. I didn't invent an app. I didn't invent some tech. I'm not a multi-billionaire. My parents don't support me financially. Everything I have earned. And I really think it's possible for you. I really think it's possible for people of all ages, of all chapters of life. Truly, I really do. So I want you to join the Black Sheep Club if you can. It's free. And if not, actually, you know what? If you saw this video, you should join it, because at the end of the day, you wouldn't see this video if you weren't interested in stuff like this, because YouTube wouldn't allow it. So if you're watching this video, if you've seen this part of the video, stop what you're doing, click that link, join the Black Sheep Club. I'll see you in there.